Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have here a very unique fish. First time I managed to buy this fish. It is called Su Ban. It is a grouper, one type of grouper, and very close to the family of Lou Xu Ban. Yeah, what is Lou Xu Ban in English? Leave your comment below to teach Appa. I forgot. Humpback grouper is it? Anyhow, first time I tried this fish. The fish, I was told this fish is very tender. Yeah, the fish is very tender and very sweet, just quite similar to the Lou Xu Ban. So I made few slits on the body of the fish and also clean out the innards thoroughly. The seller actually clean out for me lah. Just make sure you clean up the fish kidney thoroughly. Fish kidney is actually the middle of the middle part here. You will normally find some blood stain. The blood stain is actually the fish kidney, and that is the source of fishiness. So make sure you clean that one out, wash it away thoroughly. So that will help to remove the gaminess. Fishiness, yeah? And then we are going to marinate the fish with a little bit of salt. You'll notice today I actually make the slits horizontally, just want to try something different. Because I saw some people doing this way also. There's no rules in Appa kitchen anyway. So, and we are going to give it some ginger slices. Some ginger slice I'll put inside the fish cavity. And let's put this into your steamer to steam it for approximately, this fish is probably about 500 grams. So I'm going to steam it for like between 8 to 10 minutes, really depending on the power of your steamer. Some steamer takes longer time, some steamer is faster. So for this steamer that I'm using, I'm going to steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Oops. And let it do its work.
Start cooking.
So let's quickly make a steamed fish sauce. I'm going to start with giving it, there's a half bowl of hot water here. Give it about 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce to start with. About 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, or half tablespoon also can. Few dashes of Vietnamese fish, my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. A little bit of, this is sugar. A bit of garlic oil or sesame oil. A bit of 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia and Singapore for those who are interested. Not interested, never mind, don't worry, don't go Appa. Few dashes of white pepper. And you want to make sure everything is nicely dissolved. If you prefer darker color, add some dark soy sauce. I'm not adding dark soy sauce today. Right, the fish is ready from the steamer. Let's take it out. Be careful when you open it. Always open outwards. Alright, as you can see from here, the fish is fully cooked by now. If you're not sure, just poke chopsticks and you can get through it easy, then it is fully cooked. And you don't want all this fishy water, yeah? These are the source of fishiness. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually move this fish over to a serving plate. See all this fishy water? This is the source of fishiness. You don't want it. After that, we can actually pour the steamed fish water over it. If you know your steamed fish sauce is very salty, then you try not to put it on the fish body. You can put it at the side. Mine is not too salty, so I'm not worried. After that, I'll put in some fried garlic here. And some fresh coriander on top. Done. Very simple but very flavorful steamed dish. And this is how usually, if by restaurant standard, they will now actually boil a little bit of hot oil and pour it over it. Yeah? Today I'm not doing it. Anyway, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.